The morning mist hangs heavy. A gentle warmth brushes against the cool air. Kenji, a young fox with a keen sense of smell and an even keener appetite, sets out. His destination, the Tsukiji fish market. Today is a special day. Kenji will prepare a sushi feast for his family. Only the freshest ingredients will do. He carries a traditional basket, passed down through generations of his family. Each step is filled with purpose, each breath with anticipation. The market explodes with energy. Fishermen call out their wares. Customers bargain with sharp wit. Kenji navigates the maze of stalls with practiced ease. His eyes, sharp and discerning, scan the mountains of seafood. He selects a glistening tuna, its flesh a deep, rich red. Next, a plump squid, its skin still shimmering with ocean spray. He carefully inspects each piece. Quality is paramount. Back in his kitchen, a sanctuary of calm amidst the city's clamor, Kenji begins his meticulous work. Every movement is precise, a dance honed by years of practice. He prepares the sushi rice, its texture perfect, each grain distinct. He slices the tuna with a seasoned hand, his knife a blur. He delicately arranges each piece on a bed of rice, a masterpiece in miniature. Each sushi is a work of art. As the sun begins to set, casting long shadows across the city, Kenji surveys his work. A platter laden with sushi, each piece a testament to his skill and passion. The vibrant colors of the fish, the pearly sheen of the rice, the delicate aroma of wasabi and soy sauce, a feast for the senses. His family will be proud. It is a good day to be a chef.